Foldable phones used to be something we'd see in the sci-fi movies, a distant dream that would linger around in people's imagination like flying cars or human-like robots. But while we're yet to see cars flying above our heads, foldable phones are no longer just a fantasy. A number of different companies are unveiling their first foldable phones in 2019, and out of them all, one company has the boldest and bravest vision. And surprisingly to many, the name of that company is Huawei. The Chinese company might be out of favor in the United States, but it has shown that it will not hesitate to put all sorts of innovative ideas in its devices, and the one that is showed us now truly wowed us. Hello guys, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and this is the Huawei Mate X, a phone that folds out to reveal a tablet-sized 8-inch display and then with one move transforms back into a much more compact form factor. And all of that comes in an elegant razor-thin body with the latest and most powerful processor that Huawei has on its hands, and with a beautiful AMOLED screen technology. One important note is due here: do not mistake this phone for the Mate 20X, another big phone that Huawei released earlier, but one that doesn't fold and is nowhere nearly as advanced as this here Mate X. So excited about this foldable phone? So were we, but Huawei did not let us touch its new Mate X just yet. It's still working on this device and we were only allowed to look at the phone from a distance, as an experienced Huawei representative showed us how easy it is to fold and unfold this handset. It was a fully operational unit running Huawei's familiar EMUI, in case you were wondering. So what is it that makes the foldable Mate X so special compared to the competition? Well, first of all, it's the giant 8-inch AMOLED screen. There is no notch here, just the display with its thin bezels and vivid, lively colors. Truly impressive. And when you fold it in its compact state, parts of the screen go dark and divided into a separate 6.6-inch front screen part and a 6.4-inch back part. Even when folded, the device is not too thick at 11mm, and when unfolded it measures just 5.4mm. It can unfold to a completely flat state, while on the back of it you would notice a narrow vertical strip that bulges out and gives you something to hold on to and get a firmer grip on the device. This is also where Huawei has placed all three cameras on this phone. And did you notice there are no front cameras on this phone? That is not a mistake. Since you have that back screen when you use the phone folded, you can use the main cameras for your selfies too, and this way you get much better looking selfies actually. And for security, you have a fingerprint scanner embedded inside the power button on the side of the device. This here is a traditional fingerprint scanner, not one embedded inside the display, and Huawei did not say anything about support for face recognition. What it did brag about, however, was that the Mate X is the world's fastest foldable 5G phone, reaching download speeds of up to 4.6 gigabits per second, double that of the competition. Now, translating this into human language, with such speeds you would be able to download a full-featured 1 GB movie in just 3 seconds. And then comes the battery to support all this. Or rather batteries, because there is a battery in each half of the phone, and together they form the full 4500 mAh capacity on the Mate X. And remember Huawei Supercharge on the Mate 20 Pro with its super fast 40-watt charging speeds? Well, the Mate X is even quicker, with support for charging speeds of up to 55 watts, nearly 40% faster. All of this comes together in one futuristic phone, a phone that is a true embodiment of those dreams we had as kids and those gadgets we saw in sci-fi movies. Huawei has not yet shared the price or the release date of this phone, but we bet it's going to cost a lot. And we damn sure know its price will not stop geeks from buying it. So how do you feel about this new Huawei Mate X? And how do you feel about foldable phones in general? Do you think they will eventually take over traditional smartphones? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to see more, and I will talk to you in the next one.